G'day, it's Mark here at VanEssa Mobilcamping in Combi Life on this beautiful autumn day. We're looking at the newest system from VanEssa Mobilcamping. It's been dubbed the RIVA system. Such beautiful weather also down the Riviera of Europe. And this is a enhancement for the surfer bed system. So really this system starts with the very popular VanEssa Mobilcamping surfer bed system. We've had those in Australia since day one. The surfer bed's very popular. If you have a surfer bed system, you may upgrade to that. The surfer bed system, in this case we have a split surfer, split singles, but it's this big 900 deep platform for your multi-van, for your California or even your transporter van. And that is 900 deep, and then another 2 extensions, in this case with a split single, to create the full bed. We'll demonstrate that in a moment. The surfer bed has been enhanced with 2 add-ons. The first is the slider. It is a full width slider that bolts very firmly with the conjunction of the surfer bed system into the rail system of the multivan in California. Or if you have a transporter with a timber floor, that's quite straightforward. If you have a rubber floor, there's some more work we have to do to mount it to the rubber floor. And then on top of this full width slider, which can prove very useful in day out use if you're a tradesperson or a family with a whole lot of gear to go in, you can drop in a VanEssa Mobilcamping kitchen. So it's smaller than our traditional full width rear kitchen, our fixed kitchen with the 7 drawers. This one has 3 drawers, but it still has a large amount of functionality that you've come to know from VanEssa. So we do have a big workspace with the flip up table like we see on our half width Arco systems. We have the traditional VanEssa utensil drawer, and then we have 2 large utility drawers like we would see on the VanEssa systems. Here I've got my small gas bottle, which is different to the little butane bottles. This works with the Kinjia Primus 2-burner stove. It is the most powerful stove, portable stove available in Australia. And we can just connect that here, give that a little turn onto there, if I can get that on. There we go, that's better. That's now connected, and this will lift up to reveal the 2-burner stove. So it's I think about 10,400 BTU per burner, so it's extremely powerful and very, very easy to clean, the Kinjia. That just pops off. That pops out for easy cleaning. It's really well done to get rid of any grease, and you can see the burners underneath there. We can swap the gas line to either side as well. It can be on this side or the other side. So if you have a reverse one of these, you're available on left or right side. The RIVA system, it can be used for either side. But this is particularly good, the Kinjia stove. I really enjoy using this particular one. We also have the traditional VanEssa water supply system with the submersible sink pumps. So we can see that here. And running our water. So we have 2 water tanks. So some of the advantages of the new RIVA system, we can have a twin burner stove rather than a single burner. We can have 2 water tanks rather than 1 water tank, and we can have a larger fridge. And in the fridge position, we can have a variety of fridges. So you have a choice of fridges. In this case, we have the My Coolman fridge. It's also available with a Dometic fridge, an Engel fridge with the EcoFlow fridge with the ice maker and so on. And you can have the fridge also operate bi-directionally. So this is a twin compartment fridge. It's feeling nice and cold in here. Can have a freezing compartment there as well. This particular lid is swappable, so we can swap the lid to open the other way around if we wish. We can turn this lid around and remount it. And you can see in this particular case we've got, we can have different temperatures selected and so on. So this is really, really good, and it's just portable. So if we're not using it, we can take this out, undo the power cable here, take the fridge out, and reveal then some of the slider systems. So during the week I may put some sporting equipment here, or other equipment, or tools, tool chests, you know, whatever you're doing for family or work reasons. So I'll pop the fridge back on for the moment. Like on this one, there may be a small amount of adaptation required for your particular fridge, so the hinge lids, the lid hinges correctly. Let's go and have a look inside. And just by the way, that fridge and sink is running off our new Underseat 160 amp hour battery system that we can see is currently discharging. It's at 40%. And we have the inverter on the other side there if we wish to run induction cooking or toasters or kettles or anything else. Look at the separate video for that. We also happen to have in this particular long wheelbase multivan our interior module, and we also have here our swivel seat. So I might just swivel this around. Make sure that's there we go. So we'll swivel that around to make that a little bit more comfortable. So if we have a look in here, we'll see, I'll just move the mattress over temporarily to the other side. This is the split surfer bed system. So there are two independent extensions off the back of the surfer bed to make a double bed. But some people will operate this as a single bed. You might have the California with the bed upstairs. That will lock into the back there. I can now pull this seat forward and put this up and have the seats available to us to sit opposite each other here. We'll be a little bit closer in a short wheelbase van. We have the extra 400 millimeters here. And I can use this as a working surface as well. So I can put that mattress back and have this as a surface here in the vehicle. Or with the interior module, have our table here that clips in and out like that. And have another table here as well. So some people even use this as a mobile office. So this is really one of the ultimate systems for flexibility. We've got the surfer bed system with the mezzanine at the back for 2 levels of luggage storage. I have the slide out that can be empty, or have the kitchen module dropped in, or the fridge, or both. And along with, might as like the interior module here mounted to the track system. Install time for the RIVA system is around about 1 hour. Maximum for the first time installation. It involves getting some special mounts into the tracks for a more secure mounting of the slide out, which can cope with 250 kilograms across the full width of the slide for an evenly distributed load. So thanks very much for watching. That's the RIVA system. Let's go pop it back in. Don't forget, for more updates, to like and subscribe. We'll pop this in, take our gas bottle off for safe storage. Remember to put the buttons in, and we'll slide this back in. And that's the RIVA system. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave any comments below, and don't forget to ask any questions online. Thanks again.